Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for amazing content. Let's get started. The 50-cent euro coin from Luxembourg, dated 2013, is a significant part of the modern European currency system and represents both the shared heritage of the European Union and the national identity of Luxembourg. As with all euro coins, it has a standardized reverse design used across all Eurozone countries, while the obverse side features a unique design chosen by Luxembourg to highlight its culture, leadership, and independence. Luxembourg, known in its national language as LETZEBUERD, is one of the smallest yet most prosperous member states of the European Union. The coin issued in 2013 reflects the nation's pride, sovereignty, and its close association with the European project of a unified monetary system. On the obverse side of the coin, the 2013 50-cent piece from Luxembourg bears the portrait of Grand Duke Henri, the head of state of Luxembourg since the year 2000. His profile faces to the right, and alongside it appears the word, LETZEBUERD, which is Luxembourg's name in the native Luxembourgish language. Below the portrait, the year 2013 is inscribed, marking the year of minting. The design of the obverse is simple yet elegant, symbolizing the monarchy's importance in the country's history while aligning with the European tradition of featuring national leaders or monarchs on coins. The reverse side of the coin is common to all 50-cent euro coins across the Eurozone. It was designed by Luc Lux, a Belgian artist, and depicts the map of Europe with the countries of the European Union highlighted. Surrounding the map are 12 stars, symbolizing the ideals of unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe. This common side gives the euro its international recognition and makes the currency usable in all Eurozone countries, from Portugal to Finland, and from Ireland to Greece. The denomination, 50 euro cent, is also displayed prominently, ensuring that the coin can be easily identified. In terms of specifications, the 2013 Luxembourg 50-cent coin is made from a material called Nordic gold, which is an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. This alloy has a golden appearance but does not actually contain any gold, making it durable and suitable for circulation. The coin weighs 7.80 grams, has a diameter of 24.25 millimeters, and a thickness of 2.38 millimeters. Its edge is finely milled with regular indentations, which helps in distinguishing it by touch from other coins of similar size and also protects against counterfeiting. The tactile details make it useful for visually impaired people across Europe. The history and context of the 2013 Luxembourg 50-cent coin ties back to Luxembourg's adoption of the euro currency in 2002, when euro banknotes and coins officially replaced the Luxembourgish franc. Luxembourg, despite being a small nation, has always been an important financial hub and a founding member of the European Union, the Eurozone, and the Schengen Agreement. Its commitment to the euro reflects its role in European integration and cooperation. Each year, the country issues euro coins with the portrait of the reigning Grand Duke, making them easily recognizable among collectors and citizens. From a numismatic perspective, the Luxembourg 50-cent coins, including the 2013 edition, are not considered rare since they were minted in large quantities for everyday circulation. However, they are popular among collectors who aim to complete sets of euro coins from all member countries. The condition of the coin, whether it is circulated, uncirculated, or in proof quality, plays a big role in its collectible value. Uncirculated or proof versions, often sold in official coin sets, are more valuable to collectors compared to regular circulation coins. Still, every coin carries historical and symbolic importance, reflecting both European unity and Luxembourg's national pride. The design theme of the Luxembourg euro coins has remained consistent, always showing the Grand Duke as a way to highlight the country's monarchy and its continuity. This gives the coins a strong sense of identity, distinguishing them from other Eurozone issues. The presence of the word LETZEBUERD instead of the French or German name of the country is also deliberate, underlining Luxembourg's unique language and cultural heritage, which is an important part of national pride. In many ways, the 2013 coin serves not only as currency but also as a miniature ambassador of Luxembourg's history and traditions. In everyday use, the 50-cent euro coin is highly practical. It is widely used for vending machines, small purchases, and as change in transactions across the Eurozone. For tourists and visitors in Luxembourg, the 50-cent coin provides a small but meaningful souvenir that connects them to the wider story of the European Union. For locals, it is a daily reminder of the stability and strength provided by being part of a unified currency that facilitates trade, travel, and cooperation across national borders. In conclusion, the 2013 Luxembourg 50-cent euro coin stands as a symbol of both national and European identity. With Grand Duke Henri's portrait on one side and the shared European map on the other, the coin combines tradition with modern unity. Though it may seem small in value, it holds great significance in the broader narrative of European integration, economic stability, and cultural heritage. Whether in the pocket of a commuter, the till of a shopkeeper, or the collection of a numismatist, this coin tells the story of Luxembourg's place in Europe and Europe's promise of shared prosperity.